Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a cute cat holding a heart. So let's get started. To draw this sweet cat, let's first start by drawing its eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a circle. Then I'm going to come right across, say about this wide, and draw another circle. There. Now my two circles in, I'm going to make them draw so cute eyes with two smaller circles inside for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom. And shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. There. Now the eyes in, let's come above each eye and we're just going to draw a soft curve. And then in between the eyes, let's draw the nose. So let's say about right here, I'm just going to draw a soft curve right in the center. And then I'm going to round off the sides and connect it with a wide V in the center. There. And then we're going to draw a straight line down in the center and then go out. And curve on each side and cap it off. There, so cute, right? Okay, so then from there, let's see here. Let's go ahead and draw the body. So I'm going to use my eyes as a guide. So I'm going to come to the center of my eye and just come out nice and wide. So say about right here. And same thing on the other side, approximately about right here. And then from there, I'm going to use that as my points to draw the top of the head. So I'm going to go up, nice high curve, and just step back. And let's say about right there, we're going to bring it in towards the center. So we're just going to curve in and then bring it down, just like the other side. So hopefully you're using a pencil at home. And you can make any adjustments if it's too high or too low. But approximately something like that. And then we're going to bring it down. So as I come down from here, I'm going to go out. So I'm just going to get wider, about right there. So at this point, you can make this anything you want, right? It could be any animal as long as you put in the certain kind of ears. And let's see here, it looks like a seal right now because it has no ears. So then from there, about right there, we're going to start to bring it in. So I'm making a very simplified cartoon cat. And let's start to bring it in where the feet are just super, super simple. Okay, so let's bring it down a little bit more. We'll bring it in, then about right there, I'm going to go ahead and start to bring it in. So from here, right underneath the eyes, we're just going to draw this curve for feet. We'll round it off and go in. So same thing here. So just make sure you're at the same level. So let's say approximately right there. And bring it in just like the other side. There, and now that you have those two soft points, let's go ahead and connect it with a soft curve. There. Okay, and then before I forget, I'm just going to come in here real quickly and lightly draw two little lines. And then let's see here. Then from there, let's go ahead and we need to draw the heart that this cat is holding. So right underneath these eyes, let's say the side of the eyes, approximately about right here, I'm going to go ahead and just draw the hands. So I'm just going to come down, soft curve, round it off, and then bring it in. So same thing here, just like the other side, approximately. Just want to make sure I'm about the same, so about right there. And nice soft curve, and then bring it in. And then come in here and draw two little curves. There. Then from there we need to draw a big heart. So I'm going to come find my center. I'm going to come down. Let's say about right here. I want to start my heart nice and high. And I'm going to drag that point all the way down so that I am very centered. So let's say about right here. And using those 2 points, I'm just going to go ahead and draw the biggest heart I can in this space. So let's go ahead about right here. Imagine it coming through, being overlapped, and then we're just going to go ahead and bring it to our point. So same thing on the other side. I'm just going to slowly just take a look, try to match my other side, about right there. And like I said, hopefully using a pencil, and you can make any adjustments. There, nice big heart. Okay, so now that I have it in, I'll come back in and strengthen my lines. There. Okay, so now my cat's holding a heart. Now let's make it a cat, right? So let's come over in this area. We're going to draw some big cat ears. So say about right here. It's just easier for my hands. About right here. I'm going to bring a curve down and curve across. From there, let's go ahead and draw the inside of the ear. So let's say about right here. I'm just going to follow my outside. And let's do the same thing on the other side. I'm just dragging some points across so I kind of know where the other ear will go. And let's go ahead about right here and round off the tip and bring it back down to your point. Oops. There, and then draw the inside. There. Okay, so now that I have that, it's still not too sure if it's a cat, right? But we need to add some whiskers. So let's say about right here, I'm going to go ahead and add 2 whiskers. So that now we know it's starting to look like a cat. So about right here, just like the other side. And then some stripes, of course. So you can put in like a patch if you like, but for this cat, I think I'm just gonna do the usual tabby cat. So about right here in the center, I'm gonna go ahead and draw a big U and then 2 smaller U's. There. And then on the sides right here, if you like, maybe some more stripes and patterns, and then some here and here, and same thing on the other side, just to fill in the space. There. Oh, and then of course a tail. So about right here, I'm gonna go ahead, almost forgot, I'm just gonna go add in a small tail, do a curve, and just bring it in. And then you can add some stripes. There. And that is pretty much it for my drawing here of this cute cat holding a heart. I really hope that this drawing brought a smile to your day and that I helped you draw it fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.